AI faceless YouTube channel, they are doing very well. And when it comes to, audience and growth, it tends to grow much more faster compared to, normal human channels. Now, I would say AI YouTube channels, it's a good thing if you're thinking about getting views fast. Um, if you're thinking about growing rapidly on YouTube, I think AI faceless YouTube channel will give you that progress. Now, on the other hand, I feel the rules are too much, and I'm a creator and I would love to express myself. I don't like too many rules guiding me on what to do and what not to do. So this is the reason why I stopped uploading on my AI face or YouTube channels. Now, if you probably know me, I'm Delima Failure, and yeah, I'll try to share tips and insight that could make your channel grow repeatedly. And if you're aiming for monetization, this is the best channel you could ever watch. I'm also working to get my monetization requirement. Why I stopped uploading on my Facebook YouTube channels. You could go check out this channel, Just Go Stuff channel. This is run by me, and I specified on AI animation nature of Ronaldo, Messi, and I would say I was doing very well. I was getting the views, and it was so mind blowing. And I really loved it. I kept on posting. I was so happy, but then everything came crumbling down and I felt so demotivated to keep on going. So I just stopped uploading. I think I uploaded last, I think that should be 3 months or 4 months back. Until now, I haven't touched that channel. It's just there, pinned like that. All views accumulated has been deducted and has been reduced. My watch hours has been blown away. Oof, like chaff. And then if I'll be going back to this channel, I think I have to start from scratch. And I think I'm not ready to head back to that channel. I'll be showing you two things that made me feel so sad about growing Facebook YouTube channel. First, I was so happy, like I said, when I was posting, and then I came to realize that watch hours getting from shorts doesn't count towards monetization, and this was what I was aiming for. And I was just so happy. I kept posting. I think at that time I got up to, I think, 600 watch hours. I think in 3 months. That is still that if you're talking about niches on YouTube that is growing fast, AI first at YouTube niche is the best. Okay, you should focus on that. Probably if you are good enough to follow the rules. But for me, if I'll be probably starting a first at YouTube niche, I think not now. Though I was openly constant, like watch I was getting from shorts doesn't count, and this was so sad. All my six, I think that should be almost 600 watch hours was gone, and how, like, I just don't know why was this thing happening to my YouTube channel. I just don't know why these things kept my watch hours kept decreasing, and I had to check, do my research, and I came to realize that watch hours getting from shorts doesn't count. Putting my time, effort, data, importantly, explain data. Let me tell you something about AI face on YouTube niche. AI face on YouTube niche is not for the weak. If you're weak and if you think that AI face on YouTube niche is easy because you're creating free images or just generation of AI images, you're lying. Because if you're talking about hard niches on YouTube right now, I think AI face on YouTube niche should be one of them. Come on, it's them so hard. And then I think I'll have to start from scratch again. And just imagine trying to upload and then you have to realize that you can't use reuse content. And I think I've made mistakes several on this channel, and we had on YouTube man get you disapproval. And boom, I stopped. Yeah, I feel I didn't regret stopping. I didn't regret stopping because I feel I've made a lot of mistakes on this channel, and it would be so hard to erase all my mistakes have put in this channel. Like I said, you could go check out this channel. The channel is still there, but I just left it like that, and I think I'll be going back to it soon, but not now. Okay, I want to grow this channel, and you could help me to grow this channel. If you're watching me right now, the best thing you could do for me is to subscribe, like, share. And so demotivated was that I came to focus more on your long videos compared to the shorts, because watch hours from shorts is not accepted. And now, if you're focusing on your long videos, YouTube is getting more strict, and it says that AI voiceovers is getting a lot of channels deleted and terminated. When it comes to this AI voiceover aspect, a lot of people are using one particular website, and so multiple voiceover could be generated with this same person voice. Now, this was getting a lot of channels deleted because YouTube thought, okay, this person using this AI voiceover, and this person on this channel might also use this AI voiceover. Now, this was not really good, and YouTube was getting a lot of people or channels deleted. And the best way for you to be safe on AI face on YouTube not just for you to use your own voiceover as generated. Probably if you're creating stories, you should use your own AI voiceovers. And I wasn't ready for that. I don't have the time for me to sit and be reading scripts aloud just for voiceovers. I didn't want that, and I felt so discouraged, and so I stopped. I stopped. And like I said, I didn't regret one bit that I stopped. Like I always keep on saying, I would try to go back to my AF faceless YouTube niche, but I want to grow this channel first. And as you can see, I'm a beginner, I'm a starter, and you can subscribe, okay? Now, there's something that also made me feel more demotivated in trying to grow my faceless YouTube niche. YouTube, for no reason, could not give you monetization because, a lot of people are growing on AI faceless YouTube niche, and YouTube is getting more strict, and so you could do everything right and YouTube could still not give you monetization. I would I was like, wait, what did you tell me? What did you tell me? Are you trying to tell me that I would put in my time, my effort, my creativity, my tools, and most importantly, my data, and you would tell me that YouTube won't give me monetization? Damn, I stopped immediately. I stopped because I wanted to get monetization and not tell me random cock and bull stories that I won't be getting monetization because I did something wrong. And even if I didn't do something wrong, I won't still get monetized because come on, I don't want that. And these three factors just made me awake and I started posting. That is it. The story of my AI YouTube faceless niche. Now I also run a lot of faceless YouTube niche. I think the cat animation YouTube niche. You can go check out this channel. You see, I've been on YouTube not today, and I hope that this channel at least will be different. So this cat animation YouTube niche was also so good. It was fantastic. I uploaded cats. That is a cat animation AI faceless niche, and I think I was also on that. I would create videos like this. It was fun. It was fun. I enjoyed it, but all these things made me wake, and I started posting. So I suggest after months, I decided to try to start something again. I was like, instead of being to focus on faceless YouTube niche, though I'm not always free because I do have other work activities. But the little time I have, I would try my best to create videos here on this channel and niche like what you're saying right now. So I think I want to work on this first. And when I've grown on this channel, I think then I'll have to leverage more on the AI face of YouTube niche. So that is it. If you enjoyed this story, the best you want to do is to subscribe, okay? Do not go without subscribing. Subscribe, please, and drop your comments on what you think was so fantastic about this video and how this video helped you, okay? Lot to me, it will mean a big lot to me. So subscribe, okay? Subscribe. Tell them I feel you. Thank you.